Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is in collaboration with Olivia, and here I am testing the Olivia liquid foundation. This comes in 4 different shades, and my shade is 02 Natural Glow. This retails for rupees 100 and you will get 28 ml of the product. The shelf life is 2 years. All these details you can find at the back side of the foundation, plus the ingredient list as well. So the primer I'm using is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and I'm applying it all over my face. So on one side I will be using a foundation brush, and on the other side I will be using a beauty blender. And this foundation does not comes with any applicator, so you need to take out on the back side of your hand. So this is the first layer I am applying. So on camera it might look that it is the exact shade of my skin tone, but in reality it was little on the peach side, but after some time it oxidized, so it came to the exact color of my skin tone, and that was a plus point. So this foundation is medium to full coverage foundation, and the brush side has given me more coverage than the beauty blender side, but blending it with foundation brush is tricky because it takes a lot of time to blend it with that, because when you apply the foundation it dries so quickly that you just need to apply your foundation in installments rather than applying it all over your face in dots and then blending it. This gives a very dewy finish, and my cheeks were dry but my T-zone was oily, little bit oily, not very much, and setting it with setting powder will do the work. So after that I tried a second layer of this foundation to see what the coverage looks like. So for the second layer also the coverage was pretty much same, like the foundation brush gave more coverage than the beauty blender, and blending it with the foundation brush was little hard, so I would go with the beauty blender. So to summarize this, it is an affordable option. A full coverage foundation can be used as a concealer, stays for 6 hours on my face, but might differ for you because of your skin type. It is a dermatologically tested product. All skin type people can use this, but if you find any irritation with this product, do not use it. So this was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.